So to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your Galaxy A27, first thing you want to do is go to settings and basically Bluetooth settings, and make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices. The next thing you need to do is put your Bluetooth mouse in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, depending on which brand you have, the process could be slightly different from mouse to mouse. Now, once the mouse is in pairing mode, you should find it under available devices. For instance, as you can see, we do have both the Magic Mouse and then we have this one. And you can just select the one you want to connect. And you're going to have a pairing request. Then if you confirm you want to pair, then it's going to get paired and connected. And it starts working immediately, as you can see. All right. So that is basically how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your Galaxy A27. So you can use it to do some stuff that needs a bit more precision. Thanks for watching and good luck.